Hey people, so we have Mr. Kiran Vadagam with us, who is, there's this a very interesting book. So if you could tell us something about your book, sir.
Hi, my name is Kiran. I have been into corporate for 16 years and I have run few personal projects which to start my entrepreneurial journey. Basically, when I was in Europe, I was into a point where I spent a lot of time on social media. You don't know what to do and all that, right? I spent about a year or so doing some certifications like any others, trying to get promotions and all of that. But I see there is no point because it's been 15 years, nothing is changing, right? We try to do more courses, try to get more salary, and then try to switch the job, and this continues. And there is nothing significant that I think we are not contributing. So I went to a point where I started thinking, why do we exist, right? And then I started reading some books on psychology, philosophy, a little bit of neuroscience, even including some part of religion. I sincerely think all the religious scriptures are mainly psychology based to make our mind stronger, to do things better. But we hardly think or take that essence into our life, and then we follow just rituals.
That's right.
So just coming out of that, I started thinking about it and what actually we are supposed to do. So then I thought there should be a way that we have to think intentionally about the process of learning, about the process of doing things, and about the process of thinking as well. And especially in our schools and colleges, we are taught on what to think, but not how to think. Right? There are so many things that we study in many ways, many subjects, right? But we don't know what is actually going into it. For example, we study so many courses, so we can take multiple examples. So that's a different thing. So I started writing this book called The Art of Value-Based Thinking, which actually talks about how to develop a thinking framework to be able to create value either to us or others by using time, action and progress theory. So when I say time, action and progress, everything that we do is based on time because we have got limited time period on planet Earth. And then how are we using it? And using that action, what is the implications that would come in future? Is it going to be positive? Is it going to be negative? Right? So these things are very, I found them very essential, which are never discussed intentionally, is what I'm mainly concerned about. And then I started writing this. There are many multiple concepts like how to choose a skill, because nobody tells us. We just follow our friends. Our media shows, say, digital marketing course or data science course, ML course. Not every course is actually in sync with us.
Correct.
So we'll have to understand ourselves first. We'll have to do that self-inquiry, try to understand what are skills, what are our abilities. We have some concepts like personal skill matrix, which actually helps you to understand yourself better. And then you have got a few other concepts like time, action and progress theory, and few other concepts as well in terms of getting promotions in organizations. And these things are not taught anywhere directly.
Yeah.
So it's also a combination of all the books that I studied, and I even quoted those books and authors and those great minds who have contributed so much to us, which actually enlighten us. It's only that we are not actually reaching those sources.
Oh.
So it's very essential. I'm sure this will be a great help for you guys to have a copy of it and read it. And
My
thank you.
God, awesome. Now I'm like intrigued. I really want to take a look at this book. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.